The trap of fancy features, buddy. Ever bought a car thinking those fancy features were upgrades, but later they just caused problems? Many modern cars pack tech that actually shortens their lifespan. Consumer Reports found that over 60% of reliability issues in newer cars come from electronic add-ons. The solution is simple. Know which features to avoid before buying or activating them. A practical tip is to read owner forums where real drivers share what breaks first. Stick with me because the next segment will show you one luxury feature that actually drains your car's health faster than you think. Segment 2. Push button. Start problems. Brother, push button. Start feels modern and convenient. But data from J.D. Power shows this feature is one of the top complaints in car reliability surveys. The electronic sensors and fobs often fail and cost hundreds to replace. The solution? If your car has one, always keep the fob battery fresh and carry a backup key if possible. Practical tip: store your spare fob in a safe place away from strong electronics. Coming up next, we'll talk about a cool feature that actually overheats your budget and your engine. Segment 3, heated seats. Hazard sounds nice, right, buddy? Heated seats on a cold morning. But research from AAA shows electrical seat heaters are among the most common culprits of drain on alternators. The wires wear out, sometimes leading to short circuits. Solution: use them sparingly. A simple tip is to turn the seat heater off once the cabin is warm instead of leaving it running. Remember, small choices protect your car in the long run. And hey, let this motivate you. Just like cars, we stay strong when we cut out what drains our energy. In the next segment, let's uncover why giant infotainment screens are not your friend. Segment 4. Oversized infotainment screens. Brother, those massive touchscreens look futuristic. But according to a Wired magazine report, large infotainment units are among the first things to fail after warranty. Repairs can cost more than a used engine. Solution: don't depend fully on the screen. Use physical controls where possible. A tip for buyers: pick a trim with smaller screen size and basic controls. Next up, let's expose why automatic tailgates are not as premium as dealers claim. Segment 5. Automatic tailgate trouble, buddy. Automatic tailgates seem convenient until the motor dies. Repair shops confirm these cost $500 or more to fix. The solution is simple. Open and close manually whenever you can to reduce stress on the system. A tip is to lubricate hinges once a year. Get ready, because the next feature looks smart but actually traps you in costly repairs. Segment 6. Turbocharged overload. Brother, turbos give more power from small engines. But Car and Driver warns that turbos wear faster, especially when drivers skip oil changes. Solution: if you own a turbo car, change oil on schedule and let the engine cool after hard drives. A tip: idle for 1 minute after long highway runs. And here's a little motivation. Reliability, like life, is about steady care, not quick thrills. Coming next, we'll see why fancy panoramic roofs can turn into nightmares. Segment 7. Panoramic sunroof leaks. Buddy, panoramic roofs feel luxurious, but leaks are their biggest weakness. Consumer complaints show water damage can destroy electronics under the headliner. Solution: regularly clean roof seals. A tip is to pour water over the roof to test before rainy season. But next, let's check why keyless entry can become your worst enemy. Segment 8. Keyless entry theft risk, brother. Keyless entry is a thief's dream. Studies by insurance institutes prove cars with this feature are stolen twice as fast. Solution: store your fob in a Faraday pouch at home. Tip: never leave fob near doors or windows. Coming up, we'll reveal why run-flat tires are not the safety upgrade you think they are. Segment 9. Run-flat tire. Reality, buddy, run-flat tires promise safety after a puncture, but tire experts confirm they wear faster and cost more to replace. Solution: only choose them if you live in remote areas. Practical tip: carry a compact spare instead. Motivation break. Just like in life, the strongest path is not always the most expensive. Next segment, let's uncover why adaptive suspensions are a ticking wallet bomb. Segment 10. Adaptive suspension failures. Brother, adaptive suspensions ride smooth until they fail. Mechanics warn replacement costs thousands. Solution: avoid this option unless you really need it. Tip: if you own one, inspect shocks every oil change. Up next, why wireless charging pads may silently harm your phone and your car. Segment 11. Wireless charging heat, buddy. Wireless charging sounds futuristic, but generates heat. Tech experts note this heat shortens both phone battery and car electronics lifespan. Solution: use wired charging when possible. A tip: keep a short, durable cable in your glove box. But wait until you see why auto start-stop systems are actually hurting your engine's life. Segment 12. Auto start-stop wear brother. Auto start-stop is marketed as eco-friendly, but mechanics report early starter motor wear and battery drain. Solution: disable the system if your car allows. Tip: if not, use it only in light city driving. Motivation: remember, buddy, saving energy applies to us too, but not at the cost of burning ourselves out. Coming next, let's check why electric parking brakes are a trap. Segment 13. Electric parking brake trap. Buddy, traditional handbrakes rarely fail, but electric ones? They often jam. Repair bills average $700. Solution: engage only when needed and service regularly. Tip: when possible, park on flat surfaces to reduce strain. Next, we'll expose why cylinder deactivation is not as smart as it sounds. Segment 14. Cylinder deactivation issues. Brother, some engines deactivate cylinders to save fuel. Studies show this leads to uneven wear and engine vibration. Solution: if you own one, use high-quality oil and change on time. Tip: avoid lugging the engine at low RPM. Up next, let's look at lane assist systems and why they might cost you more than help you. Segment 15. Lane assist confusion, buddy. Lane assist sounds safe, but surveys show many drivers find it distracting. Sensors fail and cost thousands to replace. Solution: treat it as support, not autopilot. Tip: keep sensors clean. Motivation: just like driving, life needs focus from us, not from machines alone. Coming up, why gesture controls might be the silliest feature of all. Segment 16. Gesture control gimmick. Brother, waving your hand to change volume? Cool demo, but useless in daily life. BMW owners report glitches more than benefits. Solution: stick to buttons or steering controls. Tip: if your car has it, disable to save system resources. Next, let's explore why stop-start hybrids with small batteries might trick you. Segment 17. Small hybrid battery risks. Buddy, hybrids with tiny batteries sound efficient, but constant charge cycles shorten their life. Data shows replacements cost thousands. Solution: choose hybrids with proven long-life packs. Tip: maintain cooling fans regularly. Coming up, let's discuss why hidden exhaust tips aren't just ugly, but risky. Segment 18. Hidden exhaust heat, brother. Hidden exhausts often trap heat under the bumper, melting plastic parts. Autoblogs report expensive replacements. Solution: inspect rear area often for heat marks. Tip: wash regularly to avoid soot buildup. Motivation: don't hide your real power, buddy. Show it wisely, just like keeping your car healthy. Next, let's reveal why oversized wheels are a wallet killer. Segment 19. Oversized wheels warning. Buddy, bigger wheels look cool, but they stress suspension and shorten tire life. Car experts confirm ride comfort drops too. Solution: stick close to factory size. Tip: balance style and safety. And now, let's close with what every car owner must remember. Segment 20. Final word, brother. We've exposed 19 car features that may look modern but secretly kill reliability. The truth is, cars last longest when we keep things simple, maintain regularly, and avoid gimmicks. Solution: before buying, research features carefully. Tip: check long-term owner reviews, not just ads. Remember, motivation for you too. Just like a reliable car, your life becomes smoother when you cut out the flashy distractions and focus on strong basics. Call to action. Like, share, and comment your own experience with these features. Disclaimer: always consult with a qualified mechanic for car issues and consult with medical professionals if you have health conditions.